Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan petunjuk arah dari rumah saya ke SMA terdekat. Petunjuk arah atau giving direction. From my house, walk about 8 meter to the main road. Turn left and go straight for 8 kilometer. At the intersection, go straight for 6 kilometer. Stage near High School to Batanghari is on the right side of the road. It is on of the best senior high school in my area, and I graduated from this school.